Dobro Pashalovit Rusya. Welcome friends. Welcome to my Russian language learning series. This is the 12th lesson of the series. Today we will learn how to say sentences like I am a student or he is a student in Russian language. So let us start without any delay. Repeat after me. In Russian language, we don't often use the word is in the present tense. For example, in English we say I am a student. In Russian, we would simply say Ya student. Literally, it just translates to I student. Ya student. Ya is the pronoun for I and student is the word for student. There is no verb in this sentence per se. There is no is or am. It's just literally I student. Ya student. Let's look at some more examples. The first one we have obviously seen. If you want to say I am a student in Russian, how would you say? You would say Ya student. Next we have Ana uchitel. This means she is a teacher. Ana is the pronoun for she and uchitel is the word for teacher. Ana uchitel. She teacher. She is a teacher. There is no verb in this sentence again. Ana is the pronoun and uchitel is the noun. It means teacher. Next we have Un Vraj. Un Vraj. He doctor. Un is the pronoun for he and Vraj means doctor. He doctor. He's a doctor. If you want to say he's a doctor, you would say on Vraj. Next we have Muy druzya. Muy druzya. Muy means we and druzya means friends. We friends. We are friends. Muy druzya. Next we have Ti Ana. Ti Ana. Ti is the pronoun for you and Ana is name. Ti Ana. You are Ana. You Ana. As you can see, these are just literal translations. You Ana. Ti Ana. We next have Ti moe trug. Ti moe trug. Ti is the pronoun for you. Moe means my and trug means friend. So it means you, my friend. You are my friend. Ti moe drug. We next have Ani Siostri. Ani Siostri. Ani is the pronoun for they and Siostri means sisters. Ani Siostri. They sisters. They are sisters. As you can see, there are no verbs in this sentence. It's very simple. Okay, we know practice makes us perfect. So let us practice what we learned just now. I will say the English sentence and you say in Russian. Let us start. I am a student. Ya student. She's a teacher. Ana uchitel. He's a doctor. On Vraj. We are friends. Muy druzya. He is Ivan. On Ivan. I hope these sentences are clear to you and you can make these basic sentences by yourself now. Okay, so I have a challenge for you today. Write in the comments ya blank and in that blank put your profession in Russian language. You can search what your profession is called in Russian on the internet. So if you are a doctor, just comment Ya Vraj. I'm a doctor. If you're a student, just comment Ya student. So thanks for watching this video. In the next lesson, we will learn about gender of nouns. That's a very important concept in Russian. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Spasiba. Bye bye.